In this Canva tutorial, let's talk about how to justify text and how to align text. So I have a sample deck right here, a slide from a deck, and I have a couple paragraph text pieces. Now, these are automatically, or any text is automatically aligned to the left. There's a spot where you can change alignment and also justify. So if we look at this first block here, we can actually come up here to alignment. And if we click through this, we can align to the center, to the right, or the next click will let us justify. And justify will take the text and space it out all the way across and touch the edge of the text box. So no matter where I drag this text box in and out, we're going to have like a straight line here at the end, rather than what is called a rag, which is like an uneven line of text here. So as I decrease this text box, you can see the text will just wrap down and it'll just kind of place text like that. But if I change this to justify, then you can see that that text will be more square and it will touch the edge of the text box. So you could line up blocks of text so that they're a little bit more, completely lined up and symmetrical. So we could justify this guy down here, line him up as well. So now there's like a straight line all the way down here. Rather than, if you look at it before, when we just had everything kind of aligned to left, you can see how it's not just a straight line. Actually, it's kind of like a haggard line here, like it goes in and out. The rag is uneven versus the straight line of justifying your text. So that's how you can change alignment for your text and then also justify your text here in Canva.